So here is my first customised VIC-20. The case was terrible. It was so yellowed. I tried retro brighting it and it was terrible. So tried painting it. Turned out okay. Not too happy about that bit, but I think it looks okay. Got this is an Aldi Commodore 64 keyboard. Nice and white, apart from the yellowing on some keys. But I thought that would be nice against the black. So I've got my little blue power LED, brand new decals. It actually does work, just roughly. I'm not secured it in properly. Just it's a good old 2-pin 9-volt. Replace the LM323. I've not done much else actually. I've replaced some of the sockets, but I've run out of the 40-pin machine sockets, so I need to get some more of those. I've not done anything else. The fuse had blown, so I've whacked in a 3-amp fuse that I've recovered from the UK power plugs we get over here. But I think it looks okay. Not too bad. Whoops. So it's still a work in progress. Still a work in progress. But I think it looks pretty cool. Certainly a lot better than the yellowed rubbish it was before. I quite like these keys. They're a bit more scalloped compared to the normal VIC-20 keys. Yellowing, yeah, it's okay. The only thing I did with this one is I just stripped the keyboard and cleaned everything. I haven't done any retro brighting on the keys because I figured that it'd probably good night, kaboofs. Our youngest is going to bed. It'd probably, fade the black compared to the other keys, so it's better just to keep them how they are. I like it. I was probably going to resell this, but I think I'll keep this one. I think it's come out okay. It looks quite nice. And it's working. So I replaced the 7402. I've socketed it and I've replaced it. I think that was the problem on this one actually. It wasn't working. Still got the original 6561. So I'll replace the kernel with a Jiffy DOS switchable one. Put a little heatsink on the. I'll actually replace the rectifier and put a new heatsink on it, ceramic one. As you can see, that's a temporary bodge. Yeah, I quite like this actually. Looks nice. I like it.